everybody, your boy is back. This is Souls of Thought. Gonna be doing another shoe unboxing. So did the Nike Invincibles a few days ago, which that's gonna be posted up on my YouTube channel. And now I'm gonna be doing a new shoe that came in. This shoe was back ordered and I forgot about it. It showed up at the house today. But before I get started, if you haven't already, if you're listening this long so far, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Again, that's Souls of Thought, S-O-L-E-S. You already know the spelling if you're watching the video, but make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. As usual, sipping on my Thermogenic, about to get ready to go to the gym in a second after I do this unboxing. If anybody's wondering what's in my cup, it's actually Man Sport Scorch. You can use my code. I forgot it actually, but that's funny. But if I find it, I'll put it up on the video or put it in the description. But other than that, still support the brand. Great Thermogenic. I prefer Thermogenic over pre-workouts. It's really not my thing. Pre-workout, I don't like all the tingling in the face and stuff like that, unless I'm really going in to get a good pump. If you haven't noticed too, we're in a different location this unboxing. I'm actually in my shoe closet. You can see a little bit of the shoes. I have shoes everywhere in the house. If you know me, I used to be a huge shoe head, but I stopped, and now I kind of just purchased running shoes. So with that being said, today is January the 20th, 2022, and today is my mother's, Joyce Marie Jamison's, birthday. She passed away back in 2008. So today is a very special day. It used to be a rough day, but you know, today it's a special day. I know she will be proud of me, even through my good and my bad, my mistakes, that she got to see everything. But I want to say, Mom, I love you. Thank you for being the mother you were, and the mother you inspired to be was amazing. Anybody who knows me, all my friends, anybody that you know Joyce, you know Joyce was cool. Joyce gonna say what she gotta say, but she was balls of fun and everybody loved it. So I just want to say I love you, Mom, and happy birthday. And it'll be a nice little surprise at the end of this video. So but happy birthday. Love you. Let's go. Let's see what we got here today. Already. Got them Hokas. See what we talking about here. Again, these bought with my own money. Hoka didn't send it to me, unfortunately. But a pair of Hokas right here. And you can see that these are the Hoka Rocket size 12. It's one of their like speed shoe, race shoes. I got a chance to kind of do a little research on them. I'll give some specs about it today, but not like too deep. Pretty cool box. Hoka always does a good job with their presentation. So very nice. And the positive thing about Hoka is that if you don't like the shoe, you can return it even after wearing it. Unlike Asics. But we won't go there. They definitely allow you to get your money's worth. And this is what they look like right here. We got size 12 and the Rocket X. Super light, super light. So this is awesome. Again, everybody knows me, I always get the lighter colors just because I like to see the detail of the shoe. So this is the shoe. this is the shoe. Give you guys a little turn around of it. Just see it. They're super light. They feel like less than an ounce almost. I know it's a little heavier than that, which I'll give you guys the weight, but they're super light. Let's see. It says launch off the line carbon fiber, so it's carbon fiber plated. That means it should give you some good bounce, some good pushback there. I love the color. I love this color. I usually run in a lot of black when it comes to like clothes, so the shoes are always awesome to set it off. That's what the inside looks like. They're super light, man. I can't wait to run in. I'm actually gonna probably put some, just probably 2 or 3 miles today. It's like supposed to be my done run day, but I'm gonna run because I got these shoes. So I'm gonna probably put like 2 or 3 miles on these on the treadmill. Actually, gonna be running inside just to get a good feel for them. But yeah, this is what I got. And for you guys who are looking for a decent pair of Hokas, if you want to try something on a cheaper scale at the beginning, these Hoka Rincons are an awesome shoe to start with. I put a lot of miles on these. I actually bought 2 pairs of these at the same time. I had this one, and then I also have a blue and yellow pair of these. Awesome shoe, very lightweight. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about what I thought at first, and then now on a later video. But this is again awesome shoe. The Hoka Recons, awesome shoe, man. So if you're looking for an affordable pair of shoes, I think these are like $118 now. So it's super cheap. When they first came out, I want to say they were like way higher than that. And so these are $118. These are $200. So big difference there. But if you notice, a lot of familiar staples when you look at like the pattern of the shoe. I love this shoe, and that's something that I try to really pay attention to, is how the shoe is built compared to other shoes that I like or love, because a lot of times if the shoe is kind of familiar, you'll have the same feel, things of that nature. So can't wait to run in these. Let me give you guys a few little stats. I don't want to hold you long about the shoe real quick, and then I'll see you guys on your way. Let's see what we got here. So right here we have the Rocket X. This shoe right here, the Rocket X, features a symmetrical bed of cushion without additional perspective technology. The technology is designed to provide support you want and nothing you don't. So it's a neutral running shoe. The stability is neutral. The cushion is responsive. The Rocket X features a low-profile cushion embedded that keeps your foot closer to the ground and utilizes a firmer material to provide an efficient push-on. This shoe weight is 7.4 ounces. It has a heel-to-toe drop of 5 millimeters. That type of stuff is important, but I won't get into all that right now. The biggest thing about this shoe is that it had a lot of positive reviews when I looked it up. So it's a great shoe. Supposed to be very responsive. And Hoka makes comfortable shoes, so that's what they're known for. So it's very lightweight again. If you guys remember from the Nike MIDSOLE, that shoe is like 9.5 ounces in a men's size 9. So almost 3 ounces less. It's a big difference. But hopefully you guys like this video. Again, appreciate you guys listening in. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. The boys trying to get better each day, man. Get better today. This is Russ Swole's brand, GBT. Get better today brand. I love his clothes, so shout out to Russ Swole. Get better today. Great motto to have in the running world too. Every day, just get better. Again, today we unbox the Rocket X. So we'll see. There that go. Call guys.
Joyce Jameson's birthday, and out here celebrating her and just thanking God just for her and her life. And I just wanted to come out here and say happy birthday to my beloved mother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.